Flaky scalp and dandruff is an annoying duo that won't leave you alone, and even if you somehow manage to deal with it, it comes right back before you even know it. So it's time to say goodbye to your biggest hair enemy forever. Hi guys, मैं हूँ अंकिता और आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ an hair care remedy for dandruff and flaky scalp. So if you are new to the BeBeautiful channel, then go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell icon for further notification. The first and the most important hair care remedy is to opt for a leave-on solution. Now, one of the primary causes for dandruff is dry skin. Lack of moisture can lead to flaky skin that starts residing in your hair. इसलिए scalp को hydrate करना जरूरी है ताकि वो moisturize और nourished रहे. And what better way than using the Dove Hair Therapy Dry Scalp Care Leave-On Solution. ये एक सल्फेट फ्री, पैराबेन फ्री एंड डाई फ्री प्रोडक्ट है, which means it's going to be gentle and kind on the scalp. इसे मैं 30 मिनट शैम्पू करने से पहले लगाती हूँ. All you got to do is spray this leave-on treatment all over the hair. फिर कोम की मदद से उसे अच्छे से स्प्रेड करती हूँ so that the solution is covering every part of my hair. अगर आप चाहे तो इसे शैम्पू करने के एक रात पहले भी लगा सकते हैं. It works brilliantly as an overnight hair treatment. अब इस सोल्यूशन की खास बात यह है कि it is specially formulated with potent moisturizers and nourishing ingredients that go to your hair's cellular level. Plus, it's infused with niacinamide to help lock in moisture and moisturize scalp dryness. The next remedy is to use a shampoo and conditioner that soothes dandruff and flaky scalp. क्योंकि सच तो ये है कि डैंड्रफ का कारण कुछ भी हो, it directly affects the health of our scalp, making it irritable, itchy and dry. तो शैम्पू और कंडीशनर ऐसा चुनें जो इस प्रॉब्लम से छुटकारा दिला सके, जैसे कि ये डुओ. It's the Dove Hair Therapy Dry Scalp Care Range Shampoo and Conditioner. ये डुओ डैंड्रफ को ऊपर से ही नहीं बल्कि सेल्यूलर लेवल तक टैकल करेगा. Simple words में बताऊँ तो the shampoo works on a deeper level by penetrating into the hair shafts and follicles. और क्योंकि इस डुओ में है niacinamide, ये आपके scalp को soothe करेगा and will help in tackling itching caused due to dandruff, all thanks to the anti-inflammatory property found in niacinamide. इतना ही नहीं, this duo is free of all hair baddies जो scalp को dry नहीं बनाएगा, which ultimate means no dandruff. So while the leave-on solution and shampoo will help deal with the dandruff and flaky scalp, it might make the rest of your hair dry and frizzy. Reason being, they have certain ingredients that do a great job at curbing dandruff, but it can also remove the natural oils from your hair, leaving it dry and rough. इसीलिए ज़रूरी है to go that extra mile to nourish and condition the hair with a hair mask. I personally use this hair mask for my hair. It's the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Hair Mask. So what attracted me towards this particular hair mask is its ingredients list. इसमें है ingredients like ethically sourced French hand-cut lavender, pure Moroccan argan oil, and 100% organic coconut oil. Both these ingredients are highly moisturizing, which will help tame frizz, flyaways, and restore shine and smoothness. Apart from following a healthy hair care routine, it's also important to take mindful and thoughtful everyday decisions to get rid of dandruff and flaky scalp. So the first tip is to avoid sharing combs and brushes. You may wonder why. तो अगर आप किसी और का comb use करोगे, the teeth of the comb may carry the dirt and oil from the person's teeth. This transfer can cause issues and infections, one of them being dandruff. The next thing to avoid is scratching the hair. Dandruff can be extremely annoying, mainly because it brings with it a lot of itchiness. तो मैं ये advise करूँगी to resist the urge to scratch because it can aggravate the inflammation and cause further irritation. Keep your nails short, and should you feel extremely itchy, gently massage the area with your fingertips to soothe and calm the skin. So guys, मुझे उम्मीद है आपको ये video on hair care remedies for dandruff and flaky scalp पसंद आया होगा. If you are interested in purchasing any of these products, then check out the description box for purchasing links. Time for me to go. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications.